Oh shoot, that is a nice one. Nice 3-pounder, dude. No, he's probably about 2.5 maybe. Oh, I got him there. There we go, guys. Look at that bass. That's 2 pounds. That's easy 2 pounds. That's a nice bass. I'll get back to you guys with the release. So I'll get back to you. That's a nice one, guys. Real nice one. I'll get the release on him. That's a nice bass on a crankbait. That's about 2.5.
Sit on?
Yeah, it's on.
Guys, this thing, I thought it was way bigger than this, but it struck that thing so hard.
Alright guys, well, this is a pretty nice bass. Hopefully it calms down because it's really windy, but it's really nice. There you go. Alright guys, I just caught this pretty nice bass. I'm guessing like 2.5, 3. He's pretty thick. Caught him on a square bill. So yeah, give me some. There he goes. Oh shoot. Yep, it's recording. Oh, is that a crappie? Oh, it's a bass. Another nice one, guys. He looks like the same one as last one, but I know he's different because the other one had these spots all over his stomach. But here he is, guys. Another nice one. All around the same size. Hoping to get a bigger one though. But yeah, it's a pretty nice bass. Get at least on him. Yep. Oh, yeah. Nice bass, guys. Look at this bass. Oh shoot. Yeah, that's a nice 2-pounder right there. Pre-spawner. And I'll get back to you guys with the release.
Got a nice one right here, boys.
On a Cinco.
Look how hooked him.
Hooked him right up the top of the mouth. Really nice one.
Yeah, fault.
Fought pretty hard.
Get a release on him.
Alright guys, he's gonna release this pretty nice bass. Get some more. There he goes. Ah, that's another one, guys. He killed it right in the bank. I didn't have time to turn on my GoPro or nothing. Nice bass. My 7th one for today. It's pretty good. So I just caught this nice bass. I got him on. What did I get him on again? Oh, I got him on like a little storm swim bait. And we're just gonna weigh him real quick. And he is, dang, he's about 2 pounds. He's 111, but he's 111. He's got a bucket mouth and he's pretty fat. It's a nice bass, guys. So we can release him. There he goes. Got a nice one, guys. It's pretty good size. It's about the normal size we're getting today. We're still waiting to get a big one though. Hit on the crankbait. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, they're all crazy.
Maybe smaller than average for today.
They're still good. What's that for you? Like 14?
Really good.
Nice
Not
bass.
14, it's about 12. It's 12.
Alright, get the release on.
Alright.
Got one, Bison. There he goes. Another one, guys. Nice one, guys. Another one. Second cast. Try to get this hook out for you guys. There he goes. So that's a pound right there, guys. Real nice fish. So yeah, that's another one. Oh, let's go. Let's go, boys. Look at these red eyes. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that, guys. No, it's not small. That's a nice bass, guys. Nice largemouth. About 2 pounds. Give me some.
That's the definition of pre-spawn right there.
Yeah, he got him on a nice square bill.
Yeah,
he's fat.
He fought like a hog. I thought he was way bigger than he is.
He's a healthy bass too.
Yeah, it's pretty.
He's probably about 2. He's thick though.
Grab my picture with this.
Alright, we'll get back to you guys with the least. I just caught this huge bluegill. This thing might be around like a pound, I don't know. But it's like, it was like a baseball. It's like perfectly circled.
Show him the belly.
Yeah.
That belly is like...
I got him on a square bill. No one cares about turtle. Alright, that guy's got a square bill.
Hold my arm out. Hold my arm out.
Look at that, guys. That thing's huge. Give me some. Guys, just caught this pretty nice bass. About 2 pounds. He's bleeding a little bit. I got him on a swim bait at Caffeine Shad. So he's pretty pale, but he's a nice bass. That's pre-spawn. There he goes. Got him right out them weeds, boys. Oh, he's a nice chunk right there. Oh. I don't know how I was gonna. Oh shoot, he got hooked me back in. Nice pound right there. Caught a little lipless crankbait. I mean not lipless crankbait. Little square bill. I had to get him right through all those trees and stuff. But yeah, let him go. There he goes. Oh no, it's pretty decent. Yeah, he's a pound. He fought harder than all the other ones though. I'm just trying to get him on hook, guys. I know. Nice pound, guys. I could get these same size. But yeah, on that crankbait. Hopefully we'll get some bigger ones. Another nice one. He's about 2 pounds. We can get some decent ones today. They're all pretty good. It's windy again. We're about to leave. I just got my 20th fish for today. That's Bryson's 16.
It's got a scar on the side of it.
I'll get at least a nice bass.
That's pretty good. That's nice too.
Yeah, real nice. Respawn. Get release.
Dude, all we caught today was females.
There he goes.
Take the back cast.
He just got it right after second cast.
Right after you do that, take that first one. This one hit. So
I just missed a nice one. I couldn't even see. All I knew was my rod went straight down.
it's a small one, but we're going down.
Yeah. I got a big one, guys. I know. God. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh shoot, this is a big one, dude. Look at his mouth. Oh no, that's not that big. Sorry guys, you couldn't see nothing. He's an alright size. Oh shoot, he's thick though. I can tell he's thick. I'm about to listen over his wire, guys. Oh, that's a nice one. That's about 3 pounds. I got him through all those weeds too.
Hold on, let me get your scale.
That's a nice bag, guys.
I want to see exactly how.
That's a nice bass, guys. Hey, Sterling! That's a pretty nice bass, guys, on a little square bill. We're about to wait real quick.
I thought it was about to be.
I thought it was about to be huge. It's because I had all those weeds in there with him. That's why.
Is that 3?
I don't know.
Yeah,
that's about 3 pounds, guys. 2.5 maybe. That's a pretty nice bass right there. Pretty nice bass. Get away some.
There he goes.
He's tiny. Dude, this thing fought for this. Ouch. God, he hooked me right. For this little bass, it could put up a big fight.
Yeah, it fought.
Alright, nice little 2 ounce. Give me something.